Hey guys, oh my gosh, welcome back to another video. I have been so excited to do this video. It's been a while, okay? I know I said I was gonna let everybody know as well, but my life has been so unexpected the past couple of months. I'm sure as everybody else's life is for the past year. It's been crazy. So yes, I'm just moving around, you know, still getting used to this YouTube thing. So yes, bear with me. And honestly, I have been feeling so grateful because I've still been receiving subscribers and likes and comments and things. So like both on YouTube and on Instagram. So I just want to really thank you guys for the support that I have received. But yes, let's get right into the video, guys. Oh yeah, also before I get into it, at the end of this video, I'm going to let you guys know who has won the giveaway, okay? It's been about a month, so, you know, I didn't want to leave you guys hanging like, where is this girl? Give me my prize, okay? Prizes, okay? So there's going to be 5 winners, but yes, watch the video through to the end to see if you have won. Okay ladies, on to this banging set of nails that I done. Oh my gosh, when I finished this set, I was like, okay, we for real getting better. I don't know if it's the tips that I used because they're new as well. Next week I'm gonna do like a little update of like a nail supply. It's only like a few things, it's not like a huge nail supply or anything, nail haul or anything like that. But yes, when I tell you that these XXL coffin C-curve tips are literally the bomb. Like I have been using them on myself, on other people since I've got them, and I'm officially in love. It gives such a beautiful shape. I thought I was really addicted to square, but it's taken me away, okay? I'm no longer addicted to square and I'm into my coffin C-curved XXL tips. So yes guys, let me just catch up with what I've been doing. So I've prepped my nails, popped my tips on, and well, that was it basically. And prepped the nail tips. But yes guys, look at this application. Oh my gosh, ain't I getting better? If you guys didn't see my first ever acrylic application, and this is like the first time, or you know, the first few videos that you've watched from me, please be sure to check out my first ever video. It wasn't that long ago, it was in December, so you know, it hasn't been too long that I've started this journey. So you know, these acrylics ain't dead on. You know, you can see the difference with me and mine and, you know, some professional nail techs acrylic application. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm gonna keep it real. Okay, on this channel it's positive and we keep it real. But yes guys, oh my gosh, I have missed doing this. I'm just talking to myself, but talking to you guys, but talking to myself. But yeah, no, I am seriously loving this journey. I can see my improvement with every single set. I know that sounds like super cliche, but it's like every time I do like my nails or someone else's nails, I'm like focusing on different things, but remembering to focus on everything else at the same time. The trick is that once you've almost perfected one bit, you can like focus on something else. So before I used to really worry about my prep, and I used to worry about the nails falling off. And now I don't even think about that. Like I used to forget dehydrator and primer and base coat. Oh yeah, guys, I was at a nail salon the other day, yeah, doing someone's nails, and I was told that people shouldn't even put base coat underneath acrylic, and I have been doing it this whole time. So guys, if you're watching this video for the first time, please don't be like, yeah, she's just profesh out here, okay? This is why I call myself the non-official nail tech. You're actually just watching my journey, learning to be an official nail tech, okay? So for now, I will be giving you hints and tips of what I'm doing and what has worked for me, but please don't take it as like, I wanted to say financial advice, but no, obviously not. Please don't take it as like professional nail advice because I honestly don't have a clue. Okay, you're following my beginner journey. But yes, so I guess you don't have to put base coat underneath acrylic. That is like the standard. But I've gotten so used to doing it at this point that I just think I'm going to do it because none of my nails fall off when I do it. So I might test it out again without, but I just don't want to take that risk. Okay, the product. Okay, so the pinky went smooth, and with this nail here, I don't know if you noticed, but I have already put butterflies on. Well, you can see that. I've put butterflies on, and then I went over and put more white. And it was so hot in here when I was doing it that the acrylic was drying so fast. So I thought I would have time to take it off, but you know, I didn't. So I just kind of put more butterflies on top, and now I'm like encapsulating with more clear. So at the end, this now is a little bit thicker than all the rest. Like, as you can see, this cuticle is needs to go on a diet or something, okay, because there's just too much of it going on. But no, obviously after shaping, everything is looking legit. I just had to encapsulate it with clear just so I'm not like filing any of the butterfly. But I honestly just about made it. Like I did when I was filing, I did kind of file away some of the butterfly tips, but most of it was cool. And then the rest of the nails are just doing this like milky white, which I mixed myself, by the way, okay? It was like a clear acrylic from AliExpress, and no, the clear was from Kiara Sky and the white was from TNBL actually. And I noticed that, you know, this milky white is kind of in, and it has been, you know, on trend for a while now. So I thought I'd make myself a nice big portion of it. Even though in the end, I cover up most of the white with some purple gels, I did actually like what it looked like after shaping. So I think, well, if they don't pop off, I might do like an infill, because I haven't done one of those yet for the channel. So I might try and do an infill and like a design on the white by itself. But you'll see, like after the shaping, I was like, oh my gosh, I can literally just like roll outside like this. Or, you know, that nail with the butterfly, that in a whole set would just be cute. It just came out so pretty, but you have to see the rest and the process. It just, I'm so proud of myself. I really am, guys. I really am. Okay, guys, I've decided I'm just gonna let you know about the winners of the giveaway right now, okay? So let's just do this and then we can get back to the nails. So the 4 runners-up that will be winning the Clinique moisturizer are Playbae Nails, Queen's Nails, Nail Style Salford, and Love Bliss. In first place is Brianna. Well done, guys. Brianna is such a lovely young girl, bless her. I had to speak to her mum, and she's, you know, enthused by nails. So I'm so glad to be sending you this pack of goodies. And thank you all for entering. It literally has, you know, made my month. And I just appreciate you guys so much. Okay, guys. I'm still trying to get this bead method thing. Guys, I know you watch nail videos. I know you've heard of these beads, okay? These beads, 1 to 5 bead methods. Okay, I'm trying, okay? Because right now I think I'm on the 55 bead method, okay? However many I need to get it looking right is basically what is going to be happening until I get it down, okay? So for now, don't judge my application process. It gets done, okay? And all I know is if I put a little bit more, I can file it down to the shape that I know it's supposed to be, okay? But for now, this application is a bit messy. Even when I do clients, sometimes I'm like, oh my gosh. It's a good thing these people at Nail Techs, because they do know what it's supposed to look like, but they don't judge me, okay? Because there be acrylic on their fingers sometimes, and it's because like I have too much acrylic on the brush. So I'll be trying to clean it on the tissue and stuff, but somehow they end up with like just a really thin layer of like fakey acrylic on their fingers. And that doesn't happen to me when I get my nails done. Does it happen to you? I don't think so. Okay, do you see it in other nail techs video? I don't think so. but for some reason, when I'm like brushing, maybe I just like brush too much of their skin along with the nail. But yes, I'm gonna figure it out, guys, okay? You mark my words. In about a year's time, when my nails are looking bomb and it takes me, you know, a couple hours to do some finesse set, come talk to me. It's all good. Let's do this. It costs that much because it takes me hours. I don't know if you guys are on TikTok, but if you are on TikTok, I know you've had that song. And it's so true. It's like people get their hair done and like will seriously pay like £300. And nails takes forever, just the same, and you keep it for like 3 weeks, just the same. And somehow people just want to pay you £30 for like the longest set with gems and nail art, and you're just looking them in the face like, you see, the thing is the way my bank account and my back in this chair is set up. No, I'm joking. No, I'm not joking, but I'm joking. But no, for real, I don't know if it's just me, but the nail industry has like skyrocketed in the past 2-3 years, I would say. I don't know, I haven't noticed it that much. But now the prices of nails are seriously starting to match, you know, the level of work and effort that like are being put in. But yes, so I'm getting there. It would be so cool to do some celebrities' nails and have like my nails in some music video. Wouldn't that be so epic, guys? That's like a little goal of mine. So if you're an artist out there and for some reason you're actually watching this, which is insane, send me a DM and I'm gonna do your nails, girl. I'm gonna hook you up. But no, actually, I just thought about it. You can't even compare hair because it's like on your face. So, you know, when you take pictures, you're not like, oh my gosh, I wonder what her hand looks like. You know, you're usually like interested in like what hair and makeup they have. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I'm kind of, as usual, queen of digress, okay? But no, guys, please, the shaping, okay? That thumb, I tell you guys, I'm obsessed with thumb nails. Get it? Thumbnails. Boop, 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 boop. But no, yeah, no, this shaping, guys, it's the 5-in-1 drill bit. This bit has actually changed my life because I used to use like 2 different bits, like the cuticle bit, and then I use the like medium or fine barrel bit. Oh my gosh, since getting the 5-in-1, I feel like everything is perfected. The sides, the cuticles, the tip, the thickness, the curve of the free edge as well just seems to be looking 100 times better than it did even 2 months ago. So yes, I'm super grateful for this tip. Whoever created this, pat yourself on the back, okay, 5 times, because you did something for real. But no, guys, if you don't have one of these and you're looking to you know, progress in your nail journey and you don't have one of these, you have got to try it, okay? But yes, look at the shaping after, you know, it didn't even take me that long. Usually it takes me ages to shape, guys. I'm getting quicker with everything. A full set on, you know, let's say XL nails is officially taking me just over 2 hours. So that, if you are a nail tech officially, you know that is, you know, props for real. It used to take me, I'm not even gonna lie, guys, like the first set I done for someone else, yes, that one, oh my gosh, it took me like 6 hours. Guys, let me not even lie to you. She was opening her candy shop and she actually trusted me to do her nails. Bless her, she is so adorable as well, such a lovely gal. And I was like, oh my gosh, my mom was so worried the whole time, like, is she okay over there? She's been gone for ages, like legitly. It was a mess, okay? But the nails came out cute because I'm a perfectionist. I was not gonna send her out here looking crazy as well, you know? And then my name's on that, you know? Can't be doing that. So yeah, took my time, it came out really good. But yes, now I'm, you know, doing some really cute nails in like just over 2 hours, which is beautiful to me. So yes, after the shaping, guys, don't forget to buff your nails so everything is smooth. I think I'm gonna get those buffers that come in like a file. it's like a file looking buffer, because I really like buffing the cuticle area. At this point I've realized what it does, because I don't think I used to buff the cuticle area, so I always used to notice the bumps. But yes guys, onto the gel. That little triangle of lilac gel color I actually used for like my friend's sister. We was all going to her 30th and it was lit. We had a blast. It was such a crazy and fun night. But yeah, so I thought I'd use it because I had loads left over, and then I matched it with a really cute glittery kind of lilac. And guys, I'm even remembering to run my fingers down the sides of the nails. This all makes a difference to the thickness of the nail in the end, okay? I did notice that the nail still came out thick, like the thumb kind of started, it just looks square to me at this point, not even like a little bit tapered, but the point is it was coughing. So I don't know what I done. Maybe I didn't file the acrylic properly, so I lost the shape there. But all these little things, like, you start to notice, so you know you're conscious of it next time. But yes guys, after doing a second coat of everything, I make sure I cure it, and then I start really thinking about my design at this point, because I know I wanted to use some gems. Yes girl, I'm gonna use some gems, girl. It's been a while. No, for real, I was like, let me have fun with my first set back, and you know I owe you guys because I've been missing for a while, MIA out here. But yes, so I go in with Kiara Sky. I did also think that I wanted to matte the ring finger just because it's different, so I thought let me make it all the way different. So the ring finger doesn't have no gems. Right now it is shiny because I was kind of testing it, but I knew I wanted it matte anyway, so I end up matting it later. But honestly, the placement of the gems is what really made me call this set Dreamy Butterfly, because using caviar beads, guys, I've had them for a while, and I think because they're so tiny, I've been so nervous to use them. And you know, you just look at them and then this like anxiety just sets in your stomach, like maybe another time. So you know, I've started to face my fears, and I think I used them in like one other video on here. But now I've started to really experiment with them, and they seriously upgrade a set from like, oh that looks cute, to oh my gosh, who did those? I want those. Like, I can stare at them all day long. They just make your nails look really royal, because it's almost like gems set in the metal, you know, like when you have a ring and then the kind of metal bits just kind of encase the diamond or whatever. That's the vibe it gives me. So yeah, you have to check this out. But something happened while I was filming, so it cut out. So I had to blob a bit of acrylic to put on this piece because it was quite chunky. So I finish off the set of nails, guys, and I was so impressed with these. They give a really cute girly glam vibe, which is just so me. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. For everyone that entered the giveaway, thank you so much. I'm going to be doing loads more from now. Either way, I appreciate every single one of you girls, and thanks again. Bye.